for $15.99 on Amazon. I purchased the Spigen. It's called Tough Armor, and this is for iPhone 8 and 7. So inside the box, it's this cheap piece of plastic. Out of the plastic, it's this. It gives us directions on what to do. Installation, removal, kind of camera. All right. So I just pop all this off like this, just following directions. There you go. So far so good. It just snapped right in there. It's perfect fit. And I always want to make sure that my camera hole and my flash lines up perfect. As well as my volume up and down, and a spot available for my my hold, little hold tab there. You can see it's orange. So, you know, I even appreciate the lip. As you can see, the lip action, so that if I were to drop it flat, my screen would not be harmed whatsoever. The edges are rubbery, which takes those corner impacts, which typically breaks your phone the quickest. Good quality. Fits in my hand. It's not slippery. Very comfortable. You can squeeze it. You can feel the rubber edges. Fits right in your hand. I've applied the plastic shell to the rubber. Snaps right on. Just make sure that you match down all of the edges. Nice little Apple logo there. My black phone. Features a nice little tab to help tilt your phone if you're watching videos or you're trying to do selfies. So I actually like that. I have tripods for my phone, but when you're just on the go, this really works well. This works out. So I'm very happy. I love the quality of it. As you can see, my favorite color is red. Everything I do is red and black. So has a nice matted, a shiny matted finish. And upside down, here you go. See that? Yeah, Spigen. And on this side, you got that Tough Armor. We'll see how tough this armor is. My phone breaks in 6 months. I'm calling somebody. Thanks for watching.